Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix isdone.dll and unarc.dll error when you're installing a large file or a game especially. So this happen when you install your app or games and your PC's RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process. And also, this error might also be associated with memory error or hard drive error on your computer. So the first thing to do, you can increase your Windows page file or virtual memory. You can try to open run by hold Windows plus R, and you can try to type isdone.dll. So the system properties will pop up. You can go to the tab Advanced and go to Settings. Here you can try to use Adjust Best Performance. Then you can go to the Advanced. You can change your virtual memory in here. You can try to uncheck. Here you can custom size fill this custom size based on your RAM. You can try to search how to do it on website. So basically you can try to um, uh, set it based on your RAM size. And also you can try to fix it by deleted temporary files. Again, you can use Windows R. You can use a %TAMP% and enter. Here you can delete all these temporary file. It's safe to delete it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.